This is the Hamilton at Grand Plaza condominiums in Allentown, Pennsylvania. It was originally the second PP&L corporate center that was all offices. Out of the 118 condominiums, 35 of the wall-mounted condensing units needed to be installed on the back wall. We then turned to the RD Slimduct to make sure our lines were covered and everything was nice, tidy, and clean. We used the PD PVC covering to tie into the RD Slimduct to cover up the line sets as needed. The installation process was fairly easy. Everything came pre-assembled, took it right out of the box, mounted it right on the wall. We used the big ties to fasten the refrigerant lines inside the RD casing. I surfed the web and came across the RD Slimduct. So I called up Market Air and we got in touch with their salesperson and they took care of us from start to finish. Their salesman was on site once a week during the installation to make sure we didn't need anything else and made this whole installation project very easy. They took care of us the whole way.
The office building to apartment conversion used Slimduct RD along with Slimduct PD to cover the line sets. Slimduct PD is a round PVC cover that in this particular application is used between the RD and the equipment to cover the line set cover. Slimduct PD is ivory, which closely matches the color of the outdoor units. Inside the Slimduct RD, we use a product called Big Tie, which is actually used to secure the piping inside of the Slimduct RD to ensure that there's no movement and it maintains its position. Slimduct RD is a metal cover that's actually pretty rigid and it's also coated to protect it from any type of corrosion.
Using the RD Slimduct was a breeze. It installed very easy and I look forward to using this product again in the future.